Hi, this is Rebecca with Cell Phone Repair Weatherford. Today we are doing an iPhone 11 screen replacement. First off, we remove those bottom two pentalobe screws, and then we use our iSesmo tool to start prying up that screen from the frame. Once that screen is pried up, we just open it up like a book, and we go ahead and lay it down, and then remove our battery cover bracket and our display cover bracket. And then we unplug those display cables, Face ID cables, and battery. And then we're going to pry up that old adhesive real fast, so there's no old adhesive still from the old screen. This part does take a little bit of work and prying. Alright, once we've gotten that old adhesive off, we're going to go ahead and remove the proximity sensor screws and go ahead and take out that Face ID and proximity sensor. We pry first at the top and then gently lift from the bottom. We're going to open up our new screen. We're going to go ahead and put that Face ID and proximity sensor back in that new screen, and then screw it down. And now we're going to apply the new adhesive kit to the frame. This part can take a few minutes to just get it adjusted properly, but once it goes down, it's very secure. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and plug in that new screen. We plug in those display cables first, and then that Face ID cable second, and then that battery is the third thing that we plug in. We turn it on, make sure everything's working. Alright, once we've tested that screen, we go ahead and open it back up, and we put those display covers back over it and screw those down. And now we put that battery cover over the battery connector as well. And we seal that screen up. Just clamp it down, and then we put those two pentalobe screws right back into that frame. And now we peel off the plastic, and then we're done.